Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add blur in Photoshop in our text. First go to your Photoshop, then add a text. After adding text, we will apply blur to our text. We can add blur directly to it, but that is not the ideal method. We will first convert this layer into smart layer. To do that, go to the layer panel, smart objects, and then convert to smart object. As you can see, our layer is converted to smart object. Then go to filter, then blur, and add Gaussian blur. Here you can set the amount of blur you want to add to your text. After doing that, press OK, and as you can see, blur is added to our text. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.